There has been a lot happening with Shiba Inu in the last 24 hours and the crypto market is bouncing again, thus this might greatly impact the token's value. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own SHIB tokens. So, what's the most recent news about Shiba Inu coins and how will it impact their value? These are some of the questions I'll be discussing in today's video, along with all the new information that has just surfaced on Shiba Inu and how much they cost. Please watch this video all the way to the finish so you won't miss any of the information I have gathered. We will also be adding a second channel for the SHIB news shortly. Subscribing to that channel with alerts turned on will allow you to view the video, which is linked in the description and pinned comment. I think it would be a good idea to check out the Shiba price chart for May 4th before we get into the main point, though. Approximately 2,596 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With a trading volume of $707 million in just 24 hours, SHIB's price has risen 10%. At the moment, the token is the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of more than $15.3 billion. Until you see the video, these rates can be different. This is not a financial advising video. Plus, if you're on Twitter, you should follow us because we're planning to have some major prizes shortly. Now is the time to follow me if you would like to enter to win thousands of dollars. Into today's video we shall go. The huge bullish frenzy surrounding Shiba Inu nowadays can be explained by these 5 points. Optimism for Shiba Inu today. Shiba Inu's market value has surpassed 2,500 units in the past 24 hours, which is a significant milestone. Shiba Inu has recovered all losses from this week due to today's bullish trajectory, given that its performance over the past week has been positive. Earlier this week, after Bitcoin's bears strengthened their drop, Shiba Inu nearly gave up on breaking the 2,000 unit mark. Nevertheless, since hitting a low of 2,071 units on Wednesday, Shiba Inu has managed to gain an astounding 20.76% and is now trading at 2,501 units. Important things have happened this week, and now there's a Shiba Inu craze. There are 5 things that probably affected Shiba Inu weight gain. Bitcoin whales took advantage of the situation after the market-wide decline on May 1st dimmed investors' excitement. Whales poured $2.8 billion into the market yesterday, according to Crypto Basic. By purchasing the Bitcoin dip at an average price of $59,000, they managed to accumulate 47,500 tokens in just one day. With this buying frenzy over, Bitcoin's price surged to $64,000, lifting the market's gloom. Coincidentally, with Bitcoin's rebound, cryptocurrencies, especially tokens with meme themes like Shiba Inu, are raking in the dough. Despite a paltry 5% increase in Bitcoin's value, these meme coins are experiencing gains in the double digits. The Shiba Inu development team made an important statement this week which had an impact on SHIB's gains as well. The hard fork that had been teased before was actually completed by Shiba Inu's blockchain Shibarium. Quick and consistent gas prices and lightning-fast community transactions are the fruits of this major improvement. In addition, Japanese crypto aficionados were able to trade Shiba Inu with their local currency after Binance Japan listed the SHIB Japanese yen pair, which also boosted Shiba Inu's global price. The fact that the Shiba Inu stock price increased by more than 300% on the exchange in the days following the listing demonstrates the listing's importance. This week, additional SHIB margin trading pairings were added to the platforms of other exchanges such as Kraken. Additionally, millions of US people were able to buy Shiba Inus this week using PayPal. This week, crypto payment processor MoonPay joined with PayPal, making it easy to buy Shiba Inus via PayPal, as reported by the Crypto Basic. Importantly, these new advancements, coming to light following the recent fall of Shiba Inu, are thought to have strengthened the asset's ongoing upward trend. It doesn't cost anything and definitely helps support the channel, so if you're still watching, smashing the like button would be very appreciated. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inus and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. What does hard fork Shibarium bring to Shiba Inus? I informed you in yesterday's video that it finished its hard fork, but now you can see for yourself. A successful hard fork has been executed on Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain solution for Shiba Inus. There have been user complaints about the network's usability and transaction efficiency, and this major update is an attempt to fix those issues. By permanently altering a blockchain network, a hard fork creates a new chain that coexists with the original. Using this method, major modifications can be made even when they are incompatible with the current infrastructure. To enable advanced functionalities within the Shibarium ecosystem, the hard fork was initiated by the Shiba Inu development team. User interaction will be streamlined and several significant enhancements will be introduced with this upgrade. User demands for price, security, and speed are being addressed. The needs of Shiba Inu owners and breeders are the driving force behind the hard fork. The need for a faster, more intuitive network has been voiced by users time and time again. To address these issues, the improvements were made with the goal of achieving faster transaction speeds. The hard fork allows the Shiba network to execute transactions more faster. As a result, customers will have a better experience and wait times will be reduced. Consistent gas prices. Gas fees on blockchain networks have a history of being quite variable. The goal of the hard fork is to make gas fees more predictable so that users can better budget for and use Shiba transactions. Increase safety. Concerns about security are still major ones in the Bitcoin industry. Upgrades to the network's defenses and user assets protections are part of the Shiba hard fork. Continuous improvement through community involvement. When planning Shibarium's future, the Shiba Inu development team has always put user feedback first, in order to make sure everything goes smoothly and to find any problems that could develop. The team is always pushing for user input and participation in the development process. The Shibarium network will continue to evolve with the help of this collaborative method. Possible effect on the price of SHI. After a long period of underperformance, the meme coin had a small jump due to the community's enthusiasm for the hard fork. Investor optimism about SHIB's prospects after the hard fork is reflected in the price increase. The effect on SHIB's worth in the long run is uncertain, however. The hard fork is an important milestone on the path to creating Shibarium, a strong and user-focused layer to solution in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Major favorable occurrences, such as the hard fork, may lead to the big 294% gain that a prominent analyst recently forecast for SHIB. A member of the team discusses the most recent burn in other news. Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu squad, recently brought up the subject of burns. Ryoshi, creator of the token, recently destroyed the Tobal Shiv supply by setting fire to its keys. Founder Ryoshi decided to burn the keys to the asset supply, and Lucy stated why in an X post. As Lucy pointed out, anything that may be burnt must first be acquired because to Ryoshi's destruction of the keys to the Shiba Inu supply. The team member went on to clarify that the SHIB community is the one really pushing for burns, whether it's tokens or transactions. Massive Shiba Inu burns, like the one SHIB is undergoing, are usually a sign of a shift in market mood. The dog-themed token's value has been falling for the last 30 days, but it's up 4% today. In addition, the asset may soon experience further burns according to trade activity surrounding SHIB. The SHIB team member elaborates by saying that users need to make money so they can do burns. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. Experts anticipate a whopping 120% increase in Shiba Inu sales in the midst of a strong uptrend. Market sentiment has swiftly shifted from pessimistic to optimistic due to Shiba Inu's 10.94% gain this month. Investors are anticipating a rebound from the substantial 27.16% loss seen in April. Notably, the Shiba Inu experienced its worst monthly loss since May 2022, when it fell 41.82% due to the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. World of Charts just conducted a study that showed SHIB is consolidating inside a bullish flag on the A-Tower chart, which adds to the developing bullishness. When the Shiba Inu fell from its annual high of 4,567 units on March 5th, signaling the beginning of its decline, it created this pattern. Shiba Inus huddled together under one banner. After this crash, SHIB went into a bearish consolidation period where it had occasional falls and established a downward channel after a series of lower lows and highs. This trend was brought to the attention of World of Charts in his chart, where it was emphasized that this channel represents the bull flag of the Shiba Inu. After a huge price increase rise, a consolidation pattern known as a bull flag usually appears. The current rally is taking a brief break before resuming shortly, as this flag indicates. This is the foundational assumption around which the analyst builds their breakout prediction in the World of Charts. Investors should anticipate a further surge toward previously lost highs, with a target of 100